Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the water inlet flow meter in your washer. The reason why you might have to do this is because it's clogged and you're not getting the proper amount of water into your washer. For this repair, we'll be using a screwdriver with a VT20 star bit, a pair of channel locks, and a pair of pliers. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this will be the washer that we're using for this demonstration. It's a Kenmore. And keep in mind, yours at home might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same technique should still apply. First thing we're going to do is we're going to shut the water off. And now we're going to get our washer turned around. And now we're going to disconnect the hoses. So we're going to use a pair of channel locks and turn them. And you might also want to make sure you have either towels or a bucket standing by, because there will most likely still be water in your lines. Now we have to remove the 3 screws holding the top piece on. And to do that, we're going to use a VT20 star bit. And now that the screws are off, we can pull the top back, and then it should lift right off. So this right here is our water inlet flow meter. So now what we're going to do, we're going to unplug it right here. And there's a small tab that holds this wire into place. So I want to press that back and pull the wire out, and then get the wire out of this little clip right here, and out from down here as well. Now I'm going to take a pair of pliers and loosen this clamp right here. Move that back a bit. And once that side is removed, you should be able to take this side and pull it out. And give it a couple twists as well. If it's tight on there, that'll help loosen it up. There we go. And now on the other side, we're going to do the same thing. I'm just going to take the pair of pliers here, and we're going to loosen up this clamp. Move that back. And then we should be able to get the meter off of this side. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement inlet flow meter. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to put the inlet flow meter on back how it was before, with the plug on this side. If you put it on the other way, some flow meters might not work properly because they're only one direction. So we're going to line this up and put it in the water tube right here. And same thing with this side. And now we'll move the clamps back over to lock that into place. And now we'll plug the wires back in. And just put them back into those little tabs there and lock them into place so they're out of the way. Now we'll put the top of the washer back on. So we'll slide that down and then push it forward and into place. And now we'll screw the screws back in. And now we can reattach our water hoses. Now we can turn the water back on, make sure there's no leaks, and plug everything else in. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.